We were sent this filing cabinet for our review, and my husband just finished putting it together. It took him about 35 minutes. He said it was quite easy to do, and the instructions were super clear. One of the things he did note was that a lot of times these filing cabinets just kind of pop into place together, but this one actually has screws and there were pre-drilled holes, so it made it really easy, and then it makes it really stable as well. You know, it's not just going to fall apart on you. And as you can see, these slide out very nicely. They've got some really good motion here. One of the things I do love is that they do give you 2 keys. So right now they are clearly open, as you can see, but if I were to go ahead and lock that, it will lock all of them, which is really great. I do love on the front you have this like little piece here where you can be labeling what's in here, whether it's like alphabetical order or what actually you have inside here. But yeah, this file cabinet, it looks really nice, sleek design. Obviously it's easy to move around if you want to. There's even a little hole in the back here if you do actually want to attach it to a wall. But yeah, just in case you have any trouble putting it together, here is my husband doing that.